In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect City Index in Tradingview. Let's get started right from the Tradingview homepage. Open your web browser and go to the official Tradingview website. Make sure you're either logged in to your Tradingview account or you're ready to log in, because you'll need an account to access the full trading panel and connect a broker. If you don't see your usual workspace, just sign in with your normal credentials and wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you're on Tradingview, look for the charting section called Supercharts. This is Tradingview's advanced chart interface, where you'll be doing most of your analysis, and in this case, managing broker connections. On the top of the page or in the main navigation, click on Supercharts. This should open a large chart window, usually with a default symbol already loaded. Now that the chart is open, we're going to access the trading panel. This panel is where Tradingview lists all the supported brokers you can connect to. At the bottom of the chart window, you'll find a tab labeled Trading Panel. Go ahead and click on that. If it's minimized, it will slide up and reveal a set of broker logos and connection options. By default, Tradingview might show only a few popular brokers. To see the full list, click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This is important because City Index might not be in the initial shortened list. After clicking it, you should see a much longer grid or list of broker names and icons that Tradingview supports. Next, we're going to locate City Index in that list. Use the search bar within the trading panel, usually found above the broker icons. Click into the search field and type City Index. Tradingview will filter the list automatically and show you the City Index option if it's available in your region and on your account type. Once you see City Index appear, click on it to start the connection process. Tradingview will open a small window asking you to connect your City Index account. Here, you'll be prompted to log in using your usual City Index credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions, confirm any permissions requested, and wait for the connection to complete. When it's successfully connected, you should see City Index listed as your active broker in the trading panel, and you'll be able to place trades directly from your Tradingview charts using your City Index account.